Hello, everyone. Welcome to summer school. I am Mr. Heffernan, and I will be your teacher for CGC 1W Canadian and World Geography. I'm excited to learn with you over the next 4 weeks, and I hope you accomplish the goals you have set for yourself. You will need to keep up with all your studies since these days and weeks will fly by. Please email me if you have any questions at all. You can find my email in this announcement. There will be two big announcements posted on day one, all with very important information. You need to be sure to go through both announcements very carefully as they are both quite long, containing lots of key points, and the second announcement has the work you need to complete for today. Each day you will log into the VLE where you will find your daily announcement, sometimes two, with a checklist of items to complete. My virtual office hours will be held each day from 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. on Teams. The link to this meeting can be found in your daily announcements. We have 19 school days in this month of July, so time to get started with the course. Good luck and have fun.